Clashes and collisions, earthquakes and volcanoes are usually found at plate boundaries. These are where two plates meet. Plate boundaries aren't all the same. You can get conservative, destructive, and constructive plate boundaries. Conservative plate boundaries are where two plates slowly slide past each other in opposite directions. The edges of plates are uneven, so when they slide past each other, they can sometimes touch and get a bit stuck. This causes pressure to build up. When the pressure is released suddenly, it causes an earthquake. Destructive plate boundaries are when two plates move towards each other. When an oceanic plate, which is a plate that's mostly under the sea, meets a continental plate, which is a plate that's mostly under land, the oceanic plate is forced under the continental one. The place where this happens is called a subduction zone. The oceanic plate melts as it's forced downwards. This causes magma to rise up to the surface where it breaks through to form volcanoes. Earthquakes can also happen here as the two plates catch on each other. At constructive plate boundaries, plates move apart and the gap between them gets filled with magma. The magma cools when it reaches the surface and forms a new crust. Then it all happens again as the plates keep moving. Sometimes the magma rises up to form volcanoes. Earthquakes can happen at these plate boundaries too. It is not just volcanoes and earthquakes that are found at plate boundaries. You can find fold mountains too. These are made when two continental plates move towards each other and the edges where they collide are pushed upwards, and this creates mountains.